Installing Cursor. You might be wondering how to do it. So I can give some help in this video. So what is Cursor? Cursor is IDE, and it is best way to code with AI, as it's stated on the website. So it looks like basically VS Code. So you see here, this looks a very lot like VS Code, and basically Cursor IDE is built on VS Code. So Cursor download. So we're going to install today, and we can just download here. And yeah, as I said, Cursor built on VS Code, making it fork, kind of a fork that inherits the core familiar interface, keyboard shortcut, extension ecosystem, and so on. So it's very easy to start with. So for example, here if you have VS Code as well, you might be very familiar with it. So accept agreement, then install Cursor. Then you should add to path definitely. Yeah, we can also create desktop icon if you want. But yeah, as I said, you can basically use Cursor as your preferred IDE if you want. It does not only have the coding with AI possibilities, it has a lot of other stuff that you might not think of. So here you say, for example, Cursor is beating VS Code by forking it, and so on and so forth. So you might be interested in trying it out, even if you don't like to use AI for your coding, but you definitely, yeah, can take a look whenever you want. So I will be waiting until this finish, and then we will open the file. Launch. Oh my God, there's so many people looking like, oh, I quit VS Code. I'm using cursors better like it's the VS Code. So yeah, I think you have to sign up for this. Got it. Choose account. Let's continue. So I'm educated. I do not want to refresh. Oh, I just click on checkout. There you have to be very careful. Yeah, you have to be very careful. So let's not do anything of this right now. Just download cursor. I already did. I already did. Log in, please. Yes, okay. So key bindings can be get from the VS Code, chat language, open cursor, cursor command. You can install. Oh, doesn't work. But I mean, yeah, we just want to show how it works. We are on a free plan. So if you want to use the VS Code experience, you have here all of the stuff. And you also have on the right, like kind of this, uh, on the one that you have terminal, but on the right, you can also, as far as I know, you have like this shortcut for the. I mean, I don't find it in the GUI, but I can click it like Control L is like new chat, and Control B is the folders. So yeah, you can maybe try that here out, and here you can as well do new chat. And you can give also AI some ability to work on your OS. So that is the Cursor IDE. I hope you installed it successful. And yeah, thank you for listening and the video. And you can reach me over my socials whenever you have questions, and also here, of course, in the YouTube. So get going. Goodbye.